President Donald Trump hailed an appeals court ruling keeping his tariffs in place temporarily as a win Wednesday morning, falsely claiming the court upheld his Liberation Day tariffs. The actual court ruling says nothing about the merits of Trump's signature policy, and judges could still strike the tariffs down. A panel of judges at the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit ruled Tuesday evening to keep Trump's Liberation Day tariffs on foreign imports in place while they consider the issue, pausing a ruling by the Court of International Trade that declared the tariffs were unlawful and should be blocked. The order extends a previous court ruling the Federal Circuit issued in May, which immediately kept the tariffs in effect and paused the Court of International Trade's ruling while the appeals court decided whether to issue a more lasting ruling. Trump praised the court ruling in a Truth Social post early Wednesday, writing the appeals court, quote, ruled that the United States can use tariffs to protect itself against other countries, and hailing the order as, quote, a great and important win for the U.S. The brief order does not say anything about whether or not Trump's tariffs are lawful, and the temporary nature of the ruling means the Federal Circuit could still ultimately decide that the tariffs are unconstitutional and strike them down. However, the court said after considering both sides' arguments, the court concluded that a stay, which pauses the lower court's ruling, quote, is warranted under the circumstances. The Liberty Justice Center, which brought one of the lawsuits against the tariffs that prompted the legal battle, expressed cautious optimism Tuesday that the Federal Circuit will still declare the tariffs unconstitutional. For more on this story, check out the article linked in the description.